Hi everyone, this is JD of Gadget Rev. Now today another Xiaomi versus Xiaomi battle. Xiaomi Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus versus Xiaomi 15T, the autumn flagship of Xiaomi. In terms of their price, obviously Xiaomi 15T is more expensive than Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus, but in terms of the price difference, they're almost the same. For our region, maybe less than $100 difference, so that's really close in terms of price difference. We got triple camera setup on the flagship and we have dual camera system on the mid-range. We got 50-50 and 12 and 200 megapixel main sensor and 12 megapixel ultra wide, or rather 8 megapixel ultra wide on the Redmi phone. And lastly, on the selfie, we got 32 megapixel sensors on both phones. Interestingly, we have a larger sensor on the Redmi phone. So today our questions are, is the price difference reasonable? Will you upgrade to Xiaomi 15T or stick with the Redmi series? Stay until the end of this video. We will do a full breakdown of their cameras.
Alright, we're starting with the selfie video recording and the audio test. There's a difference between Xiaomi 15T and Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus. We only have 1080p on the Redmi phone and 4K 30 FPS on Xiaomi 15T. There's also the audio test on both sides of the frame, so you would hear the difference. I think that's it for a quick selfie and audio test. Let the battle begin.
On the ultra-wide daylight, surprisingly better exposure on the Redmi phone. Xiaomi 15T is natural looking and it crushes the shadows, but the colors are a bit muted on the Xiaomi mid-range. On the main sensor test, both phones are really good. I strongly feel that the main sensor on the Redmi phone is pretty competitive. Even comparing with the flagship phones out there, you got better exposure and a lot of details, but Xiaomi 15T has more details if you're looking on a bigger screen. And even on a 2x zoom, I still think that Note 15 Pro Plus offers really good image quality. Although you would see you have natural looking images on 15T because it's coming from a dedicated sensor. And going for the 4D zoom, we got better zoom quality on Xiaomi 15T.
Special camera features on Xiaomi 15T. This is video bokeh. So you can see background blur. This is only in 1080p 30 FPS. We don't have this on the Redmi phone. Also, we got Pro mode on the images for Xiaomi 15T. So you can manually adjust the settings on this phone.
On portrait mode, starting with the wide, both images are highly processed and beautified, which some people might prefer. You got brighter skin tone on Xiaomi 15T and a bit warmer on Note 15 Pro Plus. This is a matter of personal taste. And on the zoom, same performance as the wide. We got more details on Note 15 Pro Plus, also a bit warmer, and we got more beautified and brighter looking Xiaomi 15T. And on the selfie, I think this is low light. You would see there's a bit of noise on the Xiaomi Redmi phone. And cleaner looking Xiaomi 15T, I'd still prefer the one on the flagship.
Now this is the video test starting with the ultra wide. So we have 4K, a proper 4K 30 FPS on Xiaomi 15T, only 1080p on the Redmi phone. Let's check the autofocus. And a bit of a vlogging test. This is what you would look like vlogging using Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus and Xiaomi 15T. Let's check the video stabilization. Alright, let's switch to the main sensor. Now, this is the main sensor test on daylight. So 4K 30 FPS on the Redmi phone. We can switch from 1x to 0.6x on Xiaomi 15T, which is nice. This is a flagship phone, so you'll have 4K on all the sensors. Let's check the autofocus. And again, quick vlogging test. Xiaomi 15T versus Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus. Which is better on the main sensor? We have 200 megapixel sensor on the Redmi phone. Checking the video stabilization. And going for the zoom. You got a good 15x on Xiaomi 15T. and only 6x on Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus. On night shot test, starting with the ultra wide, we got sharper images on Xiaomi 15T. I think the sensors on this flagship is better compared to the Redmi phone. On the main sensor, I like the white balance on the main sensor for Note 15 Pro Plus. It's natural looking and closer in reality and really competing with the flagship phones on this category. And on 2x zoom versus 2x crop, you got better image quality on Xiaomi 15T because of the dedicated 2x telephoto. Redmi is a bit soft and grainy. Alright, selfie video recording on Xiaomi 15T and Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus. So 4K 30 FPS on the latest Xiaomi 15T, and we got 1080p 30 FPS on the Redmi phone. Let's switch to the rear cameras. Alright, ultra wide 1080p 30 FPS on Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus, and 4K. We have a proper 4K on Xiaomi 15T. Also, you would see that you got better details and exposure on the flagship 15T. Let's switch to the main sensor. Now we're checking the main sensor 1x. So we got 4K 30 FPS on both phones. This is the quality. As you can see, exposure, details. Exposure wise, again, still Xiaomi 15T. And also details. But the image, or rather the video quality on Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus is not so bad actually on 4K for the main sensor. We only have 4K 30 FPS on the main sensor, and for the ultra wide and the selfie you only have 1080p. We got 4K on all the sensors for Xiaomi 15T. And going for the zoom, we got lossless 2x on Xiaomi 15T. For the zoom on the Redmi phone will be 6x. And 15x on Xiaomi 15T. Alright, this is our verdict for Xiaomi 15T and Xiaomi Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus. Very interesting battle today, eh? Also, you would see there's cases on these two phones. They are out of the box. This Redmi case and the Xiaomi case, both in the box of the packages for both phones. Alright, let's do a quick rundown of the camera, starting with Xiaomi 15T. We got better selfie video quality in 4K and audio performance, great image quality overall, more detailed, natural looking, and has better zoom. We got portrait video or video bokeh on full HD, better portrait mode overall, better 4K video on the ultra wide and better video quality and stabilization overall, better night shot in the ultra wide and the zoom, and overall better low light video quality. While on the latest Xiaomi Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus, we got great image quality on the main sensor and even on the 2x. Portrait mode has good details and warmer. The main sensor can match the video quality of the flagship 15T, and the main sensor can compete with the flagship on night shots and low light video. To sum up overall, Xiaomi 15T is better compared to Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus in terms of camera performance. If you can add a few more dollars for the Xiaomi 15T, I think it's worth the upgrade. Yeah, it's worth it. I think that's it for a camera comparison video. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.